Alright, so I know I've been hyping this review up for maybe like 2 weeks now. I did pre-order the newest flavor of Bang as soon as I got an email about it, so I figured I'd do the unboxing on video as well. It just came in today. FedEx left it at the end of my driveway. Thanks to Texas Roadhouse for my beautiful cutlery. Pretty sure I got that like 2018, or no, 2015. Still cuts though, so they got fancy silverware there. Love the box. I love how their boxes like nestle the drinks right into like perfect sizing. Kind of looking like McDonald's cans with the red and yellow. As promised, the Raging Raspberry Hibiscus flavor. Fresh crack. You can smell the raspberry, and it's cold because it's been sitting in snow. There's a snowstorm outside. That's why FedEx won't walk it up the driveway. So the raspberry is super strong with a little bit of a hibiscus aftertaste. Tastes like raspberry tea. I know only East Coast people and like Northeast people will get this. If you've had Wawa's raspberry tea, it tastes just like that, honestly. Super raspberry. Not bad. Not my favorite. Probably be able to drink like 2 a week out of 7 days. I mean, it's not one I'd want to drink every single day, like champagne. Give it an 8.5. 8.5 out of 10. But, I mean, it's worth it to try it if you're an avid energy drink. Yeah, I took a couple more sips, see if I figured anything else out. This also includes a redaction as far as my blue and yellow limoncello. I know I said Sprite with extra lemon. However, the more I tasted them, because I did buy a whole fucking pack of those as well, it's literally their lemon drop mixed with their birthday cake bash flavor. It's like the Sprite initial taste with the sweet vanilla aftertaste. So mix their birthday cake bash with their lemon drop, and you have their blue and yellow limoncello. So you got 2 videos in one, like a redaction for a previous review and my current review. Don't forget, streaming workouts in the morning 10 to 12 on Twitch. Live stream video games in the afternoon /evening. Thanks for stopping by, and see you guys next time.